I don't have the partner to practice with. How can I improve? I don't have English environment. This was my condition when I was the beginner. And for a long time I used to keep on thinking the same way, that I don't have the partner, I'm from Hindi medium, I can't speak English. I used to keep on thinking the same way. Then one day I realized that I was sitting and thinking that how to improve, because I tried a lot of the things, but at the end I used to end up my thought that I don't have the partner. So how can I practice? How can I improve if there is no one? Then I came to realize that if there is no one, if I don't have the partner, what does it mean? Won't I improve my English? Won't I set my career? Won't I be able to speak fluently? Won't I be able to speak fluently? Just because I don't have the partner, I won't do all these things. Then only at that very day, at that very moment, I realized that I don't have the partner, then I don't care. I have my will, I have my life, I have my power, I have my hard work, I have my determination, I have my passion, I have all these things. If I have all these things, then how can I blame someone that someone must be there with whom I can practice? If no one is there, then it really doesn't matter. It's my life. I'll do it myself. I'll speak it myself. I'll carry it with myself. I'll do it all by myself. It's my life. God has given my life to live, right? So then I realize one thing, that if I don't have the partner, I should become my partner. If no one is there in front of me to talk, then what happened? I will talk to myself. If no one is there to help me, I'm here to help me. The name of the method is BYP method. Yes, become your partner. Become your own partner. And this method is just a wonderful method, guys. You won't believe that this method is just wonderful. Because since then, when I decided that I would become my own partner, I didn't need any partner after that. I used to talk to me for a long time, like I was talking. Not, it's not about explaining your room, describe anything. It's not like that. I became my actual partner. I became my physical partner. Like I used to talk. Uh, I used to talk like, "What is your name?" "My name is Sonia Ansari." "What is your plan?" "My plan is to become a good teacher on YouTube, and I would love. I would be recording one short videos and I'll be uploading, and this way I will improve my English." Then I thought, what will you do after becoming a YouTuber? After becoming a YouTuber, I will be very happy because I will be able to help the people who want to improve English. And what I suffered, what had been suffered by me, I don't want others to be suffered, as I will tell them each and everything how to improve. Then somewhere, what's your plan today? Then I will reply, my plan is to go for the shopping today. As it's been for a long time, I haven't gone anywhere, any market for the shopping. So today I'm just feeling like going there, and it would be happy moment for me. Okay, what will you purchase there? And why haven't you purchased for a long time? Then I will answer, I haven't purchased for a long time because I don't like purchasing anything these days, because these days I'm just passionate about my speaking and I'm just working hard on my speaking. And when you become passionate about something, you don't see any other thing. So my concentration is only on my speaking. That's why I'm not paying attention on any other things. Because if I will be thinking about only about my thing, only about my speaking, then only I will be able to improve myself. Then I will ask again, okay, then if you are concentrated only about your English, then why today have been decided that you will purchase something? Then I will reply, you know what, I'm just thinking that I'm improving and I want to celebrate my improvement. Because it is said that we should always win, we should always celebrate our small winnings. And now I'm just thinking that I'm just feeling that I am improving a lot. Earlier I wasn't able to speak in front of the camera, in front of the people. Now today I am able. So I want to celebrate my winning, I want to celebrate this achievement. That's why I want to do shopping, because for a long time I had sacrificed everything for this purpose. Then I will say, okay, that's really good to know. uh, what is your future plan after becoming a YouTuber? What Tell me about something about your hobby. Which is your favorite actor? Which is your favorite cricketer? These types of conversation. You know what? When we speak something about any topic, like for example, I'm explaining the curtain of my room, I'm explaining the TV of my room, I'm explaining whatever the things are there in my room, I can speak. But when there will be a conversation, when a conversation takes place, we get more and more content to speak and more chance to speak on any one question. I wasn't just talking to myself, I was discussing the matters. Okay, the protest that is going on Jantar Mantar, what is the opinion about you? Then I used to say, the protest which is going on Jantar Mantar, I am feeling really very happy, because this is what what was needed for a long time. As whatever is being done by the minister or by the country or by the government, everyone was um, suffering, everyone was accepting the fact whatever the things are going on, the everyone was okay. But now these students have made us realize that we should stand against and we should speak out for our rights. We should speak about our rights, about our living, about our betterment. So this is the best thing which we get from this protest. And after winning this protest, the beginning of asking question, accountability of the government is being exhausted. Now the small students from the schools, even from the schools, small students, small kids, they are coming out having banner in their hands, and they are asking about their rights, about the facilities, about the basic needs of the schools. This this protest has become the milestone. This protest has opened the eyes of the people that they are also able to speak against the injustice what is going on in our country. So this type of conversation gives you chance to speak more and more, and it's just wonderful. Try it, guys. You just try it. And before closing this video, before ending this video, let me ask you to please, guys, please, I'm working hard, I'm working really hard being a single woman here, as my husband is not here in the country, he's out of the country. I manage each and everything, so I want your support. I want to be grow, I want to be grown here on YouTube, so that I can help in a better way. I can help the people, because I know the pain. I know what is the sufferings of the beginners. What are the sufferings of the people who are from Hindi medium, who are from low background, who are from middle class, who don't have the partner, who don't have money to spend on the expensive courses. How they suffer. That's why I want to help them. And also obviously I want to grow for myself as well, as I want to improve a lot. I don't want to stay here where I'm able to speak in front of the camera. I don't want to remain here. I don't want to stuck here. I want to improve more and more and more, as there is always room for perfection, room for improvement. That's why. So this was all about today. Use English to English dictionary, and this will help you to think in English and become your partner. Become your own partner. BYP method. BYP method will improve you a lot. You will not, you will know, you will not be needed. You will not need any other person to help you. You will become the symbol of strength when you will do everything all by yourself. So don't expect that someone will come. Don't wait for someone. Someone will never come. If someone will come, that doesn't uh, that doesn't mean that he or she will help you. Be independent. Don't need any other person. Live your life, work for your life, improve your skills, work on your skills, and become the power of the world. Right? So catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.